Dashes, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Dash19. How you doing, guys? Girl, let me actually have a break for a second. I want to talk about this new damn virus that I'm going through right now. So, okay guys, my mom is worried sick and she's like calling me like 3 times already about like, you stay home, you better not go out anywhere, don't go shopping, don't communicate, I mean not interacting or going out with my friend because you know I might get some the virus. So, and I'm here to actually, you know, be caring and worried about you guys that please be safe, stay home as the law, I guess so, the government, as I got it from my mom. She said that the government might be not shutting down or something, but they might close some of the shops because due to the virus. So the government want us to be safe, they want us to be in home, safe, and stay much away contacting with people because you know we can breathe all the air and the spit and everything like that, you know what I mean, when you actually talk to people. So yeah, and I am scared, but like, you know, it's life. I really want to go out too, but as for my mom's sake, I would want to do that for her so she won't actually lose me. So anyway guys, I hope you guys stay safe. I hope you guys be safe. I hope you guys drink a lot of water, eat right, stay right, and live. Alright guys, so enough with the virus. I think you guys know how to protect yourself. So today, we are not doing any makeup. So yes girl, I know. Anyway, so I do love makeup, but at the same time I love hair. So I love to style hair, I love to tease up the hair, I don't know, I love it all. So today we're gonna do something about our hair. Yes, it's so exciting. Girl, as you can see on the content and the title that said I'll be doing 3 different hairstyle look. Yes, very excited, very nervous, and very scared. So I'll be showing you these pictures of the 3 different hairstyle look that I'll be doing and showing you guys today. If you may want it to use for your daily basis outside or inside or anywhere else, you know what I mean. Alright guys, so for our first hairstyle I'll be doing is rope hair ponytail. So it's very kind of difficult if you actually focus and listen well, and I'm trying to explain every details, every step all the way so we can success in this hairstyle together. Alright guys, so as you can see that I am actually talking right here because you know why? I have to show you where I'm actually gonna do and guide you through every step. So you're gonna actually grab like this kind of side patch of hair or a strand as you can call it, sorry, and then you can brush as well or something that you can do. Alright guys, so I am actually holding like a strand of hair like this on top, and then now you're gonna actually add another strand. So you're gonna grab it down below here, so as you can see, and then you're gonna separate other hair off. There you have it. So now you have 2 hair strand, and then you're now gonna do is to twist them over one another. So you're gonna twist the one from the bottom on top of the top one like this, see, and then you're gonna keep going another one. You can actually stop and add a strand of hair if you wanted to, but I'm gonna actually add another tight rope like that to make sure that it's actually tight. And then now here's the fun part and difficult part is for you to grab another strand of hair. You can grab it small or big, it's up to you. So then you're gonna put it over where the top one is. So this is the top one, so you're gonna grab it, put it on top of that one, and then you twist the bottom one on top of the big strand of hair, and there you have it. And then now you're gonna keep doing the same exact step with me. So guys, so it's the easy thing if you want to actually go and make it easy for you. And here's a tip. So as you can see that this is the bottom one, right? So you can hold it like that, and then you can grab a piece of hair like this, and then you can add it through it. Yeah, and then you're gonna twist over like that, and there you have it, the easiest step. And then you can have your own rope lace braid, as you can see. Alright guys, so as you can see that I'm almost half done, and I want to tell you guys that some people, they actually pull and design and style the rope. So I will do that later, but it's up to you that if you want to do it or not. So let's continue doing our rope. And then you have to actually measure where do you want to have your ponytail. Some people, they can have it up, or some people, they have it down. So I think I'm gonna have it actually middle where my skull is, right here. If you can feel like your bony bump at the back, I don't know if you guys can feel it, but I'm gonna put it and stop it right there. So I'm gonna add one strand, and then I'll be doing the ponytail. Alright guys, so as you can see that my hairs actually look neat and tidy, but now I'm gonna actually pull a little bit of hair out to make it more a little bit dimensional, if you know how I'm feeling. So I'm gonna pull it like that. So as you can see how it's actually creating like kind of ropey braid for itself. So yeah, if you don't want to actually do this, or you think it's actually ruining your style, or is it messy for you, you don't have to actually do it. Alright guys, so I just done a little bit of styling, as you can see. So now I'm gonna grab a whole bunch of my hair to make a ponytail. Alright guys, so this is my rope hairstyle ponytail. So as you can see, I don't know how the back one goes, but I think it looks pretty nice, as you can see. It's kind of classic as well, as you can see, like how it tears up here and everything like that. It looks kind of modern and stuff. So you can actually do a baby hair here if you wanted to. So there it is guys, this is my first rope hair ponytail. So let's go for the second style. Alright guys, so for the second hairstyle today, it's gonna be side part high ponytail. So let's do it. So you need two equipment for this hairstyle is hair clip and a comb like this with a metal at the end, and of course a hair tie. Alright guys, so I am gonna part one big strand of hair. Okay, so as you can see guys, there it is. Okay guys, I'm gonna brush this down, then I'm gonna clip this together, as you can see. And then the rest of your hair is you need to either knit them well, and then you're gonna actually brush all of them together to make as a ponytail. So for this step, I'll be using a mixture Bristol hairbrush. So this is a very helpful brush to set every hairstyle you desire. So I'm gonna spray some hairspray onto it, and then I'm gonna brush the rest of the ponytail hair to make a ponytail. Okay guys, so I think I am done. So I'm gonna actually wrap my hair tied and then make a ponytail. Alright guys, so this is half a ponytail, and I want to see and show you guys that this is the halfway done. If you guys are up to my stage, So then I'll be using a hairspray and spray onto my comb like this. And then I'm gonna flatten this hair side part as how flat that I want it to be. Then now it's the tricky part. So you're gonna put it at the back, and then you guys gonna use some bobby pins or a hair clip if you want it, if it's easier for you. Alright guys, so this is my side part high ponytail look. So here she is, guys. There you have it for my second hairstyle. It looks so sleek and chic and looking nice. And if you guys love ponytails with the side part, so this is your style. Okay guys, so let's go for number 3 and the lucky last hairstyle that I'll be doing with you guys today. Alright guys, so this hairstyle, it's called two side part hair down. This is my number 1 hairstyle that I always do when I go out shopping, going out somewhere, or going to Crown Casino, go picnic, I don't know. I do this every time. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use my comb to make a part to make it more of equal part of each hair side. So there she is. This is my middle part of hair. I know it's crazy. My hair looks so ugly right now. So I'm going to use a hairbrush and brush them all. Now you're going to actually do is grab your comb again to actually grab a patch of hair like this. Okay, and then you're gonna put the rest of the hair back, and then you're gonna let it sit like that, and then you're gonna actually continue doing on the other side as well, like this. There you have it guys. So then you put the rest of the hair at the back. I have my hair like this and I am looking crazy as hell. So for the rest of the hair, I want you to lift up a little bit high so you can actually do this step that I'm going to teach you right after. So make sure that it's high enough, but don't put too high because we're not actually doing any ponytail today. Alright guys, and then I'm going to let it go. Alright, so now you have this two side free. So you're gonna spray the hairspray onto the comb, and then you're gonna brush through it to make it more flat like the last two hairstyle that I did. Alright guys, so after your hair is flattened, now you're gonna actually put it behind your hair, the one that you put it as a ponytail. So I am now having one behind me, and now I need to get this one behind and then join the other one. So for that, I'll be using a comb to help me, and I'll be brushing it like that. And then across my ears, and then there you go. Then you actually join them together, reunited at the back like that, as you can see. So now for the fun part is to use elastic band actually. So this is my little elastic band. So I'm gonna tie them together, the little two hair strands that I joined together. Alright guys, so I just released the rest of the hair, and I'm gonna brush it to make it more neater and tidier. Alright guys, so to knit the front, you're gonna use this comb with the bristle like this, and then you're gonna spray either what hairspray that you desire onto it, and then you're gonna brush alongside of the side part that you did and made to make it more neater and tidier. Alright guys, so this is my two side part hair down. So I'll let you guys see from the side and from behind. So this is very cute guys. This is the hairstyle that I always done a lot of time more than the other two, because the other two is more of like fashion and stuff like that. I'm more like taking them as my Instagram pictures, but for this I use it daily. You can add earrings into it and it's kind of make you look more of like a model and like Miss Universe, Miss Congeniality or whatever like that. So yeah guys, this is my final result for my third hairstyle. So guys, this is my last and lucky hairstyle that I showed you. So this is number one hairstyle that I always use. I don't know how it would go with you guys, because some of hairstyle wouldn't go well with some of you, because it depends on the face shape as well. So but for me, you know what, I love hair. I have long hair. I want to do things with it, because you can't just have long hair and then you're not gonna do anything about it, you know what I mean? Have some fun with it. So anyway guys, so I hope you guys succeed in one of the hairstyles that I showed you and guide you through it, and I hope I explained well enough for you guys to have those hairstyles on you. So anyway guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and please be safe from the virus and drink a lot of water, eat well, be healthy, and stay away from those people who are sick as well guys, and wear some mask if you have one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.